give a bit of an explanation. I've been going around schools, and today I went to prison. And we had a workshop with the ladies, inmates who are ladies. And most people are asking me why I speak Zulu and I come from Zimbabwe. And I've been saying to them, no, it's called Ndebele, it's not Zulu. And I have to apologize to you. Here, KwaZulu-Natal, we still have your kettle. They have actually multiplied. We are one country that supplies beef to the world. What happened is that in the early part of about 18, when are historians here? Wonderful. Yes. Now you have to tell these children that history. Shaka Zulu ordered Mzilikazi. Mzilikazi was one of the generals in Shaka Zulu's army. And then Shaka ordered Mzilikazi to go and raid. People used to survive through raiding, and stronger tribes, managed to survive that way. And that was the order of the day. Mzilikazi did likewise, and like the good general that he was, he accomplished the mission. He came back and refused to surrender the loot. And Shaka said, "Where Mzilikazi? Ziphi inkomo zami?" Mzilikazi said, "Hey man, I'm man enough, man." And they started fighting. And Mzilikazi, I don't know the directions. I will assume Zimbabwe is that side, Botswana and Zimbabwe. So Mzilikazi went down, circled somewhere in Mhlathandlela, somewhere. And then Shaka came in hot pursuit. He went further, and then after Shaka died, as if that was not enough, Tingane followed up. We tried to circle somewhere near Botswana. Mzilikazi ended up circling in the southern part of Zimbabwe called Matabeleland in Bulawayo today. So if you go down, you would find we speak as you speak. We are very much, the umbilical cords of our grandfathers are here. So I'm very happy. I performed all over the world, but coming here for me, I felt humbled. I'm happy to be here. And now this poem, ladies and gentlemen. This is a poem of my king, who is no more. There were only two kings. There was Mzilikazi, then followed by his son called Lopengula. And Lopengula bent his home when was it Rhodes? I can't remember. Came after him, Cecil John Rhodes, Linda Johnson. So he bent Bulawayo and disappeared. He did not want to be captured, so we don't know what happened to him. We've tried to look for his bones, we can't find them. And ladies and gentlemen, this poem is in praise of King Mzilikazi. Bayethe wena wezulu ndabezitha uMzilikazi kaMachobana ichoba lingango yisumachobana ndabezitha bayethe wemakhosi benguni lini silo obuthelezi lino zwelithini lino Mswati lino Khayisa apha amakhosi abenguni uphi uMzilikazi kaMachobana uchoba lingango yisumachobana umkhatsho okozimangele okhatswa ngezinto isinyawula ngesifitshazanyana wala ukudla umlenze kobulawayo inkubela abayihlabe ngamanxeba uZulu inyanga bathi file Zulu kanti ithwase ngonyana kaMpeyana ubando abalubande balishiya uZulu inkomo ezavu linqama ngezimpondo ngoba zavu lingome zahamba. Wena wathi usagodla weluleka mzila wegazi ulandela uyazibambelela kwahlehlo Shaka kwahlehla uDingane abanye bakhwela izintaba kodwa bafokazana abangena ezimbalwini ngithi bayethe wena wezulu ndabezitha. Uchoba lingango yisumachobana ibhidi elimnyama ngomlomo elithethwa ngezinyembezi zamadoda, umfishane wakithi onjoba kazinyathelwa kanti ezabade ziyanyathelwa, ezabade nguShaka kaSenza ngakhona, ezabade nguZwide kalanga, inkwenkwezende ilesilimela, ilanga laphuma endlebeni yendlovu, laphuma amakhweza abikelana. Umzaco omnyama oshaya izinkomo washaya amadoda, utshani bude busemahalikhali bothi nyakana bushayo buyosha lemisha yamadoda. Imbaba legxakaza ematsheni yesaba inzipho zayukonakala, wemba ngomkhonto, wemba ngenduku. Bayethe wena wezulu, yithi labe sesidliswa imbuya ngoluthi, ikanti la inyama sesidlele luthini. Bayethe mzilikazi, bayethe nkosi yamakhosi, bayethe uyindlovu, wena wezulu, ndabezitha. Thank you.